Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to invite guests in ClickUp. So it is really simple. First thing you will have to do is to click this button, invite users to your workspace, as you can see. Now choose a role, not a member but a guest, since you want to invite guests. As you can see, guests can't use all features or be added to spaces, can only access items shared with them. So choose a guest. As you can see, view-only guests are always free and don't count towards any seed limits. So that's great. You can add guests and not pay for them. Now, just simply type an email of the guy that you want to add to your workspace as a guest, and then click on Send Invite. As you can see, this guy is already on the workspace, but if he wasn't, you can also send an invite to him. So this will work for you. It doesn't work for me only because I already have this guy in my workspace as a member. So thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.